Hey there, second graders, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how we regroup ones to add. This is from your book on page 373, numbers 13, and we will also do number 14, okay? So you may notice in your book for number 13 it says 146 plus 253. First thing to notice is that we have a 1, 2, 3 digit numbers. As a reminder, we have H is for the hundreds, T is for the tens, and O is for the ones, okay? And I made a chart like this because we will need to regroup into our tens place. So what we want to do, just like when we add two-digit numbers together, we need to draw our picture. We're going to draw the picture for the top number. How many ones do we have? We see that we have 6. So we're going to draw that here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many tens? We have 4. Now we're going to draw both the hundreds and the tens on this left side here. Okay? So 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And how many hundreds? We have 100. So draw one big square. These are our base 10 blocks that we are drawing here. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we need to draw the picture for the bottom number because we're adding. Okay? So how many ones do we have? We have 3 ones. So we're going to draw this. 1, 2, 3. Next, we're going to draw what's in our tens place value. We have 5 tens. So we're going to draw that 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many hundreds? We see that we have 2 hundreds. So we can draw it here. 1, 2. Okay. And now we're ready to add. First, we add what is in our ones place value. So we add 6 plus 3 more, 7, 8, 9. It's not a double-digit number, so we can just write the 9. We can add our tens place. We can first add the big number and then the small number counting on. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And our hundreds, we have 1, 2, 3. Okay. 146 plus 253 equals 399. And we can see here that we did not have to regroup. Let's take a look at this next problem. Okay. And just to note, sometimes you will have to regroup for problems like this. And I might do an extra problem to show you. But for right now, let's take a look at number 14. All right. So here, we're adding a 3-digit number and a 2-digit number, okay? So if it helps, where we see this blank here, you can write 0. That just means that we don't have any hundreds here, okay? All right, so this is how we can solve it without writing our HTO, hundreds, tens, ones, okay? So the same steps apply. If it helps, you can draw a line across to separate our base 10 drawings. Okay, so how many ones do we have? Here we have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many tens? 3. So we're going to draw 1, 2, 3. How many hundreds? We have 1. Okay, now we're going to draw the bottom number. Again, this is an addition problem. We have the plus sign. We have 6 ones, so we're going to draw that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. How many tens? 1 10. And we don't have any hundreds, so we don't need to draw any hundreds base 10 blocks. And now we add 5 plus 6. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need to regroup. So we circle 10. And we're going to move it over here. We have one more 10. We're saying we are not going to use any of these now here in the ones place, okay, we're going to exchange 10 ones for 1 10. Now when we do that, okay, we must show that we added one more 10 to the tens place value. Okay, this is sometimes I see students miss this step here and they get the problem wrong because they want to do 3 plus 1, not adding that extra 1, 10 there. Okay, so how many ones are left over? We have 1. Okay, now we add our tens place value. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. We can also count from our picture here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many hundreds? 100 plus 0 hundreds makes 1. So 135 plus 16 equals 151. Okay? So that is how we regroup ones to add. And I'm going to do a bonus question. Okay? I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to write this. 257 plus 139. Okay. So I'm going to draw these lines here so that we can separate our top base 10 pictures and our bottom base 10 pictures. Okay. So first step, we have to draw how many ones? 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. How many tens? We have 5. So let's draw that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many hundreds? 2 hundreds. Okay, I'm just going to make a little zigzag line so we know that these are 2 different problems here. Okay, so we drew our top base 10 values. Now we're going to draw for the bottom number, the base 10 pictures, okay? We have 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many tens? 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. How many hundreds? 100. Now we are ready to add each place value. First we start with our ones. We have 7, 8, 9, 10. We need to regroup. So we circle all of these. And we have to draw the arrow over saying I need to change 10 ones for 1 10. So we're getting rid of all of these. Okay. Now, how many ones do we have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, you might have noticed that I missed one step here. We changed 10 ones for 1 10. What does that mean we need to put here? You got it. We need to put a 1. We need to show that we regrouped 10 ones for 1 10 by adding a 1 in our tens place. Okay? So now let's add our tens place value. We have how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. How many hundreds? We have 1, 2, 3. So 257 plus 139 equals 396. Okay, so that is how we group ones to add. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Please leave a comment, like or stars, and All the best in solving your math problems. See you in class, my amazing second grade mathematicians. Until next time, bye.